The terminal block is a connector that is used to join two wires together. It makes it easier to replace other components in the tool due to the ease of disconnecting the wires. The terminal block can be melted or damaged by a short circuit in the tool. The screws can be damaged while tightening or loosening them. Replacing the terminal block is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the rear cover from the tool. With the cover removed, I have access to the terminal. First, I'll pull the pink controller wire away from the terminal. Now I can remove the terminal from the housing. And I'll disconnect the wires. Now I can install the new terminal. I'll make sure the screws are backed out and reconnect the wires. I'll place the terminal back into the housing and route the pink controller wire around it. And now reinstall the rear housing. And secure it with the screw. And that's all it takes to replace the terminal block in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.